Hello amazing people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how we made the creamiest and purest peanut butter right here in the village. Let's get right into the video. Here we have our granules which we bought from the market. This is 2 bowls of granules, the bowl they used to measure the granules, 2 of them. So that is what I bought. So at the end of the day, you see the quantity of peanut butter or groundnut paste we can get from these granules. I will transfer it into a bowl and remove the ones that are not good. There are a few ones that are not good, so I'm going to select them out and then we'll go ahead and roast the granules. So I'm done selecting the bad ones. These are the few ones I found. I selected off camera. So I'll go ahead and roast the granules. Now we have our fire ready. I'll place my pot on it and then I'll transfer the granules into the pot. I'll be using these to help make the pot stable while I'm roasting the granules because I'll be stirring the granules continuously. Now this is where the real work begins. I'll be stirring the granules in this manner until it is ready. Those who roast in large quantities have different ways of doing this, but this is how I go about mine when I'm making groundnut paste. Please let me know in the comment section, is this how you also roast your granules for groundnut paste? I divided the granules into two and this is the first batch is ready, so I'll transfer it into the bowl, then I will put in the second batch and continue roasting. So while my sister is roasting the second batch, I'll go ahead and transfer the one that is ready into the sack. We don't want this to cool, okay? We need to transfer it into the sack while it's still hot and then we'll leave it till the next day before we go and grind. This will help to make sure that the groundnut is well cooked in the inside. The second batch is ready as well, so we'll transfer it into the bowl, then we'll add it to the one in the sack. Then you need to keep this till the next day before you go and grind, okay? But actually I couldn't go the following day, but ideally you are supposed to grind it the next day. It's time for us to send our granules to the grinding mill, but before that we'll have to remove the skin. This is not compulsory, you can decide not to remove the skin, but the color of your groundnut paste will look different from when you remove the skin, so I prefer to remove the skin. Though I'm not going to remove everything, I'll remove as much as I can. So I'm now going to pour this here. I'll continue. So as you can see, this is the skin. I've been able to separate some of it from the, but we still have some in it. So what we did was that we took this outside and we separated the skin from the peanuts using this process that you are seeing on the screen. Please, if you know the name given to this process, kindly let me know. I think it's called winnowing, but if that's not it and you know the correct name, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. So after separating the skin from the granules, this is what the granules look like. I'm removing some of the burnt ones just to make sure that the peanut butter doesn't taste bitter. Okay. Now we are at the grinding mill to grind our peanuts into peanut butter. And finally, we are back home. This is the peanut butter. This is the quantity we're able to get from the 2 bowls of groundnuts. You can see how thick and creamy it looks. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye.